Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. If you want to get face tracking, you just need to click on this three dot and just need to go to in settings. Now you just need to go to in privacy. So if you want to get face tracking on Roblox, you just need to allow one permission from privacy, and that is a camera. You can see here the camera permission. You just need to enable this permission by tapping or clicking on this toggle button here. Click on it. So right now it is disabled, and now just need to click on to enable it, and it says that when you click on this, it says that enable camera, and this setting will allow you to animate your avatar with the movement. Basically it's talking about uh, face tracking. Just click on enable, and once you enable it, just go to open any game that supports camera as communication. Now once you enable it, guys, once you open a game, you just to enable voice chat or face tracking, you just need to click on this toggle video icon. Just click on it, and here you can get your face tracking. Make sure the camera is enabled in the background to get the face tracking, and this green dot indicates that you are using Roblox is using your camera basically. So this is how you can get the face tracking. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Fine. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.